Dude, I just want a beer. Dude, I just want a beer, man!
You nice doggy. I like it. Okay.
What?
Anybody hungry? Anybody sleepy? Anybody highly overweight? Okay.
Good boy. Good work. Good boy. Chubbs, who's here? Who's here? Someone's here! Someone's here! It's time to wake up. You gotta get up.
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Oh my god.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Lexi. Lexi. Lexi! We're gonna try to get it.
Put it on the fan and see if she gets it.
There's no way she's gonna go for that.
Oh my god!
You going somewhere, Finley? Finley, where are you going? Finley! Oh my god, Finley!
This is how I kiss doggies.
Now look at the cute little kitty and the lizard, they're friends. Jesus Christ!
Shut up. I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Dude, your breath stinks. What? Your breath stinks.
Well, hello, Mr. Kitty. Can I pet the kitty? Where's you going? Kitty, come back here, Mr. Kitty. Kitty, where you going?
So that means Monday and Thursday we'll finish it, and the following...
Stella, you wanna go bang?
Who is that girl I see back at me?
Run! It's a stampede!
Ready? 1, 2, 3, catch.
Max, come here. Come here, boy.
Kaiser. Smile. Show me your smile. Smile. Oh, so handsome.
That's exactly how, I mean, they have been doing that all morning.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Whoa, back up. Stop playing, I'm dead serious. I got a girlfriend, calm down.